Hello, friends. I am going to tell you a story on the wise old farmer. An old farmer had four sons. They were quarreling with one another. This made the old farmer, very sad. One day, the old farmer fell ill. He called his sons. He asked them to bring a bundle of sticks. He asked them to break it. Each son tried but failed. The bundle was very strong. Then the farmer asked them to untie the bundle and break one stick. Each son broke the stick easily. The old man said, "If you remain united like a bundle, no one can harm you." The son understood his advice. They stopped quarreling and remained as good brothers. The moral of the story is unity is strength. Thank you.